fit check. Cheers. Like I feel so blessed. Cheers. Say hi guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Today is wait, hold on. Let me end my workout. Today is Thursday, November 6th. And it's currently 7:25 p.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-quick workout sa may sahig. Little tip, hindi naman pro tip kasi hindi ako pro. Masakitin ako, so I try to at least like work out every day or whenever I travel or whenever I can. You can, pag magta-travel ka, I know it's kind of hard to get out, to stick to your routine. Pero what I've been doing, kung magta-travel ako, I usually, kasi marami akong kinakain, I usually do like a quick 10-minute Tabata workout. So it's just like these interval workouts na you can do body weights like squats, body weight squats, push-ups, sit-ups, ano pa ba? Leg scissors, pike push-ups, marami you can do. And you can look it up on Google, and tapos ito mga exercises, ito may variations sila. I don't know, how do I open this? So my variations sila, and you can use those variations. Depending kung gusto mo mahirap or mas madali. But yeah, it really helps to be less guilty sa mga kinakain mo. Like right now, I don't usually eat breakfast. Pero I remember last night, like I picked up some stuff sa convenience store. How do I open this? My instructions. It's a convenience store. So I had to try their sando, and this is good thing I didn't mess up. And alam mo, when you're in Japan, you have to try their egg sando, diba? And so I had to pick it up. Tapos, yun nga, a workout got to make you feel less guilty sa mga kinakain mo, kasi maraming kumakain dito kasi it's not every day you get to try authentic Japanese food, diba? And also for today, what do I have planned for today? So my friend Stella, college friend, matagal na nakita. She happens to be in Japan as well, so nag-message siya, and with her friends, and I think we're gonna grab dinner. Pag hindi matuloy, it's fine. I have other plans today too, so I'm gonna have my haircut done in a bit. But after I eat breakfast, I'm gonna go grab coffee. Hindi pa ako nakapag-coffee. Tapos, I will go around sa Akihabara to check out anime stuff, because I need me some Luffy posters, Luffy wanted posters, because last time I came here, isa lang nakuha ko. Then I had to buy one sa Austin, which was pretty expensive, and also pangit yung quality. And yeah, I'll update you guys later. Tapusin ko lang muna to. Wait, let me try this first. I don't know if each egg sando is different from wherever you get it, kung sa 7-Eleven or Family Mart or Lawson. But yeah, I got this yesterday from Family Mart. Ayan, first bite. Cheers. So creamy. Hindi OA. Iba yung level. I think the ratio of egg yolk to egg white, egg yolk is a lot higher. That's what I noticed too sa mga sandwiches, egg sandwiches nila, they cut out the crust. So if you're the type of person like your sandwiches without the crust, this would be for you. For me, I don't mind whichever, like crust or wala. But I have to show you guys this one. And you come to Japan, guys, try this one. It was my friend Tyler that told me about this. It's called an orange milk. So it is exactly what it is named like. So orange na may milk, or milk na may orange, gatas na may choco, or choco na may gatas. Uh, so good. Mm. So para siyang Yakult. So orange yogurt kind of milk. Yun yung action niya. Dun sa may mga, dito sa Japan, I think in other countries as well, marami mga flavored milk. And not just chocolate. Sa Amerika, uso lang yung chocolate milk. Oh yeah, you should try this. And 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 because it's a yogurty flavor. Para siyang Yakult na overload. Ang laki, ang dami. Makaka-restroom ka talaga. And it helps your bowel movement. Tapos ito yung donut. It looks so dismangled. Sige. Kainin ko na lang to. For energy. Kasi mamaya pa ako kakain. Mamaya pa ako kakain. Sige. Kita-kita mamaya. Yan guys, outfit check. Lalabas na tayo. Same as yesterday. Yung bago lang is my undershirt. Tapos, yeah, hanap na tayo ng coffee. I found a coffee place 4 minutes away. Tapos, I got my bag. Hindi na sling bag. Pinili ko to. It's a Mini Borealis, the North Face. I got it on sale. Like $20, 20% cheaper. But it's super cute. Pag magta-travel kayo, it's very effective kasi you can put, especially dito sa bag, sa Japan, you can put like plastic bag for trash, and yeah, it's very secure then kasi yung zipper medyo mahirap i-open kinda in a way. And then I got my wallet here, everything, tapos power bank, and my mint and passport. Alright, ciao, hanap tayo ng coffee. Yan guys, it's very gloomy today. Lakad muna ako. May nakita na akong coffee shop. It's called Westside Coffee. Doon na tayo mag-coffee. Tapos punta tayo sa may river. Nakita ko to yung river. Tapos tingnan ko lang. Baka pwede ako mag-jog doon in the next couple days. Tingnan nyo. So gloomy. There's vending machines right here. Hi there. Yeah, it's still a very peaceful neighborhood. Kung gusto nyong chill lang guys, punta kayo dito sa sa Asukasabashi. Ganda dito. Tawid na ako. Yan guys, ito yung coffee shop. Very cute. Means ng coffee beans right there. Cheers. Kumuha ko ng to-go cup. Mocha. Coffee mocha. It's my favorite. Sarap. Gusin ko na lang dito kasi parang walang trash. Papupunta ko sa labas. So I can just throw it away. Chill na muna tayo. Yan. It's a cute shop run by one individual person. It's called Westside Coffee. That's the spot. Yan guys, dumating na tayo sa my river. Yung sabi ko kanina, I will check it out. Wow, sobrang peaceful guys. So yung river is called Sumida River. Pwede ata mag-jog dito. Mag-jog na lang ako dito bukas. Parang umulan ata. Tapos kita mo na dito yung Tokyo Skytree. That one. Yun. Kasi yesterday I saw that sa sa may Sensoji Temple. Tapos I was like wondering, what is that? Yun nga, sobrang peaceful dito. Ay, baba tayo. Check it out. Anong oras na? Sobrang cloudy. Pwede ito mag-jog dito. Mag-jog na lang siguro ako next time. Hindi ako pwede bukas kasi meron na nag-jog. Kasi bukas we'll go to Mount Fuji. Bukas lang daw yung clear eh. So hopefully maano natin. Natawag dito. Makita natin si Mount Fuji. May detour ako. Nag-book ako sa Klook. $46 lang. So abangan nyo bukas. May nag-exercise dito. It's a little bit cloudy. Hanap tayo ng bench kung meron. Pero kung wala, ano na lang. Lakad na tayo. Tapos mumuni-muni tayo. Yung medyo basa pa nga yung ano. A little bit. Si ate nagja-jog. Kaya din ako bukas. Ano na, easy pace. May exercise din si Lolo dun sa may unahan. Easy pace lang. Ito yung makadang vibes. Sarap siguro pag may mga benches dito. Pwede ka naman umupo dito sa may gilid. Tapos may mga plants din. Trace ko to hanggang sa bridge. Lakad ako hanggang sa bridge. Tapos balik tayo dun. $11 o'clock pa naman yung ano ko. Ang tawag dito. Yung appointment ko ng hair. Hindi ko alam kung anong haircut na papaano ko. Sabihin ko na lang short fade. Parang ganun. Guys, it's so peaceful dito. Daming tao, daming kotse, pero hindi naman masyadong magulo. Sa last few days ko sa Japan, magsistay ako sa Shibuya. I can't imagine how busy would that be. I think yung gradual I chose Asakusa area I stay at kasi sabi nga nila medyo calm nga siya, medyo peaceful, tapos medyo easy yung vibe, which I actually prefer. Matanda na ako. Even though I'm an extrovert, mas vibe ko pa rin. Oh, may benches nga. Diyan. Yun, mas prefer ko na medyo easy yung vibe. Tapos may train guys. Kaya maingay. Oh. Kaya prefer ko na lang na medyo easy vibe muna pag simula para hindi ako ma-cluster maguluhan. Kaya nga yesterday nga nawala nga ako, so I had to get off the train tapos ilipat na naman ng ibang train para mapunta ako dito sa hotel ko. It would have been easier kasi nga isang train lang sana ako tapos parang namali pa nga ako. I'm good na kasi isang train lang naman. I mean, nakapunta na ako sa hotel ko. So, I'm good to walwal na. Yun. Tapos, after nito, punta tayo ng Kyoto on the 10th. Tapos, si barkada ko from Pinas. Since Pinas, pupunta din. She'll meet me sa Kyoto. She'll join me until the end of my trip. Solo trip lang nga to. Tapos, we ended up just doing nag-end up na ito yung river. HHT ko na Sumida River. Yan. Wow. I'm gonna take a picture. Saglit. Ganda dito. Selfie ako. Chan-chan! So, yeah. Ulit. Punta tayo ng Kyoto. Tapos Kiara will join me. So, it's kind of like an easier vibe din sa Kyoto. Pero I think things have changed quite a bit kasi nga daming tourist din sa Kyoto, hindi rin maano niyan. Kasi sobrang touristy talaga yung Kyoto, but Kyoto gives us traditional vibe.
yun sa experience ko. Meron din silang parang downtown, closer to the Kyoto station. Pero yun, we'll stay there for like 4 days, 10 to 13. Tapos, pagkatapos, we will head to Osaka. It's a, I think, 40-minute train ride from Kyoto. And doon kami, and Osaka, I think same din ang vibes ng Tokyo, medyo ano din, dense din. Mag-stay kami, I don't know how long in Osaka, I think 13th to 18th, I think. So parang 4 or 5 days din. Tapos at the last leg of our trip, balik na kami sa Tokyo. Magsistay na kami sa Shibuya. Shibuya, ang daming tao dyan. So I decided na magstay sa Shibuya kasi just to experience the city vibe. Like end things with a bang, kumbaga. That's what I was planning when that was the thing that I was like thinking during the planning stages of this trip. Tama ba yung English ko? Ewan ko. Tapos, yeah. Wait, magnet ba to? Oh. Nah, hindi magnet. Hindi. So, sa kamay na lang. Yeah, yun yung pinaplan ko during the trip. I mean, thinking during the trip. Thoughts. Tapos, yeah, and then from then, head na ako ng airport sa Haneda. Hindi kami sabay ni Kiara kasi, I don't know what her time, our flight time would be. Basta I'll leave in the evening, so I'll have like a whole day to spend, kind of whole day or half a day to spend sa Tokyo. Pero yeah, alam mo guys, napaisip ako kanina habang nagbe-breakfast ako. Like I feel so blessed. Kasi I'm relatively healthy. Tapos, you know, years back, parang I've only dreamt of being in Japan or like, you know, traveling to another country besides America. Like 10 years ago, nasa Pinas pa ako. Like 11 years ago, nasa Pinas pa ako. I would have never dreamt of me like spending my own money, making enough money for myself and, you know, for my loved ones. Tapos be able to walk in the streets or like riverside of Tokyo. Oh my god. Or Japan, yeah. And then other countries as well. I would have never dreamed of that. Tapos, yeah, and I got so many people that love me. But I can't count how many times na parang I've been down, I've been like doubtful. Tapos, yun nga, you just always have to have faith. Kasi things are always temporary, you know. You are not gonna be always at the top, you're not always gonna be at the bottom either. Yun nga, parang may bearing yung may bearing yung saying na parang buhay ay weather lang, or like ano tawag dito, life is a wheel. Sometimes you're up and then sometimes you're down. So yeah, I think I'm living my best life right now, so I'm truly grateful. And obviously God has a lot to do with this. Hindi ko to kaya, hindi ko to na-achieve kung wala siya. And I gotta always pay attention and be mindful. May nag-work from home dito. He was on his laptop. So I gotta be mindful and stay grounded nga. Kasi anytime mawawala to sa akin, I have to cherish this. Ang sarap ng hangin. OMG. Pero yun lang. Yeah. It's like, it makes me want to cry, you know? But yeah, and I couldn't possibly have done this without like people pushing me to be better, like, you know, God being always there. It always works out. Always works out. If you're not dead, then you're not done. If you're not dead, he's not done. So yeah, yun. Tama ng pag emot-emot. Tokyo Skytree. Yeah. Ewan ko kung saan ako pupunta after nito. Hanap ako ng mapuntahan. Lakad muna ako and check things out. baka pupunta ako ng hotel ulit. See if I can poop before ako magpunta ng ng barbershop. Yeah, update ko kayo guys. And guys, nag-charge lang ako saglit. Tapos nag-usap kami ng ate ko. Time for a haircut. It's only a 6-minute walk, so mga 11 na ngayon, 10:50. Siguro dating ako dun mga 10:56. 11 AM yung appointment. Paano to? I-Google Translate ka na lang on paano kung what haircut I want. Yeah, I'll show you guys where I'm gonna get my haircut. And guys, dito na ako. They're not open yet. But yeah, ito is Know Your Barber sa may Asakusabashi. If ever you guys need a haircut, punta kayo dito. Update ko kayo after. Hindi pa sila open, so I'm just gonna wait for a couple minutes. Tapos, yeah, I'll talk to you guys mamaya. I don't know if I can take a video while I have my haircut. Baka mahirap. So, hintayin-tayin lang ako. Aga pa ako. And I think this district, maraming mga parlor or salon or whatever barbershop. Kasi nga, meron akong like 3 barbershops na daanan at saka salon. So, yeah. Check this place out kung dito kayo sa Japan tas kailangan nyo ng haircut. I think they do women's as well. Nice. Oh, short. Thank you.
Thank you.
Name?
Kazuma.
Kazuma. Go to Kazuma,
Thank
guys.
you.
Yeah, very good. Know Your Barber. Know Your
Arigatou.
Barber. Arigatou
Arigatou
gozaimasu.
gozaimasu.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yan guys, tapos na ako. Pinutol ko na yung recording kasi masyadong mahaba. But yeah, look. Ang ganda. Oh, probably one of the top 3 haircuts. Guys, the attention to detail is amazing. Yun nga. So you guys should punta if you guys have a chance to go to ano ba to? Asakusa or Asakusabashi. You guys should have your haircut done din sa Know Your Barber. Ang bait pa nila. Tapos yung yung ma-comment ko is hindi naman masyado because people, if you might be worried about language barrier, obviously you can use Google Translate. And Kazuma, my barber, he was pretty kind, and I could tell na he was already used to talking to people from different languages, and then he would use Google Translate if he wants to talk to you, and he made small talk too. Tapos at first, alam mo yung parang buti na lang like he came back, may comeback siya sa towards the end kasi nga medyo na worry ako. You know how when you have a haircut tapos like midway through the haircut yung parang shit, like gusto ko ba tong haircut na to? Like easy, like parang hindi niya kinakat yung the way you wanted to kasi nga I could compare it to sa ano matawag dito sa Amerika. Ang sobrang like fade. So sabi ni Kazuma, you wanted to do like how do you want your haircut done? Like I'll show you the like my video naman sa first part ng haircut ko. So ko, short. Tas yeah, skin. So pag sa US kasi parang ang bilis nila, like zzzz, like parang they would just like buzz you, ganun. And with him, I think I've only had that like 3 times sa life ko. parang attention to detail talaga, like sobrang slow niya. And the other time that I could remember na parang ganun siya mag-haircut, uh, was with my best friend Cody. Si Cody cuts his own hair and he fades his own hair. Tas ang galing na niya. Like, I mean, it wasn't overnight. He had to practice for quite a bit. So shout out to Cody. He did my haircut, my last, no, third to the last haircut before I saw, actually, he did my haircut before I saw Kay for the first time. Pero yun, like, sobrang slow niya, methodical. And I think, papakita ko yung first part ng haircut ko. And parang, like, the fade is really good. Yung skin fade niya. And hindi ko katulad nung regular barber or salon na pinupuntahan ko sa US. They're good naman, pero parang sobrang binabadali ka. It's more of the output yung sa kanila, yung parang mas maraming haircut for the day, mas maganda. This time, it was just very slow. Tapos, yun, ang ganda ng, and then he really paid attention sa sa part. Like, yan yung pinakamahirap. Maraming nahihirapan, even me, including me, finding my part. Naalala ko, Cody was like trying to find, may simbahan, St. Paul's. Naalala ko, Cody was trying to find my part dito sa gilid. But he was like showing me paano niya hinahanap yung part. And I think I'm gonna do this technique kasi ginagana niya. Poop! Pinapunta niya lahat ng hair ko sa front. And then, he uses like a special comb. I don't know what kind of comb that was. And then boom, hanap niya yung part. Ang galing. Tapos even probably so I could break down the anong tawag dito, my haircut into 3 parts. First was this is a fade, like, and then the cut itself. The second was the shampoo. The best. My head shampoo pa. Head shampoo. Siguro mga 5 minutes niyang hinirarub yung head ko, tapos minamasahe yung scalp ko. Oh my God, nakatulog. Hindi naman ako nakatulog, pero medyo nakaigilip ako. And then, it was weird. Parang meron ako sa business district dito. Tapos, my dentist. Tapos nun. And then, so, parang, naglalakad ako. Papunta akong Akihabara. It's like a 20-minute walk from here ata. Tapos yun, parang nagulat ako kasi when it was time for my shampoo, parang tinapik niya ako. And so, yung setup sa kanila is yung sink is right in front of the chair. Hindi katulad nung sa iba, di ba usually setups ng salons or barbers, the sink is usually at a different part of the barber. Tapos, so nasa harap lang. Tapos parang after niya ako minasahe, in shampoo. So, you have to like lean forward and he'll wash your hair or your head pag ganun, lean forward, tapos binabasa niya. Tapos parang may facial konti with warm water, hot water. Tapos yun, nirinse niya head ko. And then the third part, parang the ending na is dinry niya yung hair ko. Tatanungin ka niya like, do you want your hair to be set? So, after nun, daming salaryman. Pag na-set, inaano niya, parang dinadry niya yung hair mo. Tapos after that, apply siya ng parang hair product. That thing took like 5 to 10 minutes. He was really careful sa pag-set ng hair ko. So I was just like very happy. Kasi I think money well spent. So all in all, I think on a regular price, it's 5,500 yen. So 5,500 yen. But I had a discount that came out to be 4,500 yen. Online discount. So you can book online, and that time my discount nga sila. And I think regular basis, it's like 5,500 yen. Let me see how much they charge my credit card. Oh, never mind. They already charged my credit card way back when I made the reservation. So titignan ko na lang on my credit card statement. So yeah, may 20 minutes akong maglakad. I'll update you guys pag nakadating na ako dun. You guys should go. You know your barber. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Ang ganda. Alright guys, see ya. Guys, so dito tayo sa Yodobashi. Para siyang department store. So, check out the watches. Smart ring. Interesting. May G-Shock dito guys. Ano tayo ng ano? Ano silang Garmin dito? Venu 4. Tignan natin magkano yung Venu 4. 79,000 yen. Meron silang screen protector. Bilang ko kaya ng Bili kaya ako ng screen protector. Medyo maingay dito. Hintay. Yan guys, may mic na ako. Mas mura yung yan, mas mura yung ano nila. Zoom in. Mas mura yung ano nila. The Venu 4 is cheaper here actually. Kasi I think Kay bought the Venu 4, my Venu 4 for how much was it? I think like 600 pounds or 600 euros, and it's cheaper. Oh, they have Seiko watches here. That looks so good. SBS A303. That looks so beautiful. Look. And guys, so sexy. Alright, I'm gonna look for a Batman watch. Yung SBS 00003 Citizen. Meron din sila like similar to GMT complication. 220,000 yen. Similar to Batman. Oh wow. Meron 10% discount. Ito is Citizen din. Meron kaya silang ano? Yung Batman na gusto. Kasi ito. Ganda nito guys. Yung parang aquamarine. Yan. I found it. Parang mas mahal sila dito. Ito yung gusto ko guys. Mas maganda tong SPSC 017. Ay, mas mura talaga yung ano nila oh. Tingnan nyo guys, yung SPS A003 mas mura, 34,000 yen lang. Pero mas gusto ko to. Ang ganda. Balikan ko yan. Bilhin ko na kaya to. May discount pa akong 5,000 yen. Gusto ko nang bilhin. Babalikan ko yan. Dito sa kabila. I'm gonna come back for that. SPS. Dito may mga Citizen pa dun sa kabila. Siguro ano to? Atesa. This is my favorite line of watches sa Citizen. Atesa. Meron ata silang limited edition. That one. Wow. Yun guys. Naubusan na yun sa US. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Solar power review console and titanium, very light.
A titanium, right?
And CPS.
And satellite too? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I was like saving for that one. The limited edition at Tessa.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can show you this one.
It's- It's gonna show it to me, guys. Wow.
You can see the subtype, meantime subtype. So just push this very fast.
And it reset. Oh, wow. What? How many millimeters is it? 45?
44.
44, 44.
46.
Okay. Very light.
Very light.
Titanium.
For normal radio, can only receive signal from 4 areas: Japan, America, European, China. But for GPS, it's whole world can receive signal. So the time always correct.
And limited edition, right? Only 1,000?
Yeah.
1,000. Only 1,000 made? How many made? Like 1,000?
So I need to take more.
And guys, it's very cool. I think it's only 1,000 made.
This one just to sell this year.
Oh, this year. Okay.
On the 6th floor.
Screen protector. And I'll just install it myself kasi nga, like I cracked, like I scratched my screen protector, so I'm gonna replace it. But the OC and me can't stand it being scratched. Also, I'm gonna go back and I'm probably gonna come back here kasi malapit lang sa hotel ko and buy that watch, the Seiko watch. This one. Pamine. Oh! I gotta pay for this. Buti ko na ano. Oh my god. Nakakahiya. I gotta pay for this. Cashier. Astron line is so sexy. Look. Dream watch. Someday guys, someday. Muntik na akong hindi nakapagbayad. It's so sexy. Someday. I'll buy a watch here. There's more here. Ito guys, I want this one. SPSC 003. Pero parang mas mahal dito. SPSA 303. Ito din, parang Batman. But not really. This one's like a Batman one. Guys, dito na tayo sa Sushiro. It's a famous conveyor sushi belt chain. So we need to order select language and next. Tapos I don't know which game we're gonna play, pero let's start. Tapos I'm gonna try my best to eat as much as I can. My goal is 20 piece. Service in tubig. Yep. Sweet soy sauce. Less salt soy sauce. And then just regular soy sauce. So that's wasabi pan. So kasi wasabi. Lagyan ko sa wasabi. It's pickled ginger dito. Yeah, ganun. Eh? Oh, so good. Ay, hindi ako nag-cheers. Cheers. It's the crab stuff. I'll show you this. So it's like in custard, crab custard. My crab's gem. Should we mix it? I'm gonna try it with that.
I feel so salty now. I'm gonna try it with that soy sauce. Oh wow, it is so good. So the crab flavors so strong. Okay. Oh, okay. So crabs. Kaya hindi masyado parang salty. So ito yung parang platter na order ko. It's similar to what we ordered last time sa Kyoto. Look. Wow, may scallops. Wow. Try natin. Scallops? I don't think he needs wasabi. Cheers. Pray first. So we can say the food is I wrote that one way. If you love it. Then with the receipt, said that with the buyer, you kind of quote. Kaya na ito. Sabi ko. Iwas ako kasi mabilis yung tubig. I didn't even walk. They just sat me. Oh, wow. You think that was a scallop? Abo. Yung sweet that. Money. Kaya kaya it's tuna with sesame. Cheers. It's actually marinated tuna. I thought the wasabi base is actually real wasabi. And dessert? Wasabi. Taro. Let's go use this year. This year. See you 2 minutes. Cheers. I'm sorry. Yeah, with parang marinated tama na. Tamang ba? So talaga yung review. Yung crab custard. Tapos medium fatty tuna. Medium fatty tuna. Kaya tinag. Medyo wasabi. Tapos sweet soy sauce. Wow. Mag-melt lang sa mouth ko. Last na yun. Last. Tapos
I think this is a user. Or, it's, what is this? Anong tawag nga yun? Nalimutan ko yun. What it was? Out. Ito lang yun. Ito yung...
나는 그때 10대보다 쳤거든. 근데 10대를 선택하면 안 되는데 그 가이드가 보낸 식대를 위해서 자기 처분을 하잖아요. 자기 식대를. 그 가이드가 그거 하나.
Tapos, ito. Ako yung nagsama. Scallop. Scallops. Masira. Cheers. Hindi yung atang tutupad yung ano. Yung 20 plates. Mati natin mo. Ito yung Wagyu.
그냥 자기가 먹을 때 전화해서 물어봐. 여기는 얼마 정도 하고 이렇게 안 받은
Yung premium patty tuna.
나갔다가 이제 오면 되긴 하는데 불안하게 아까 낮에 5시 오면은 5시 있어야
Cheers.
그래서 저 생각하면
Oh wow.
아니 아까 지금 내가
This more than Seared eel, beef, and butter. Seared eel. Sarap. Ano to? Oh, ano? And so, ano to kaya yun? Wagyu best. Interesting. Cheers. Ano ba yun? Saan naman ito? Oh wow. The eel just melts in your mouth. Holy crap. Yes. Plus yung butter adds a whole another depth of richness. Parang kumain yung very. Let's try this one. Last minute ng pati ito na. Ang sabi sa'yo. Cheers. Sarap.
Yan guys, so tapos na tayo sa lunch natin. So sa Sushi Row, nabayaran ko is around 3,400 something. Yan. And kung i-convert natin sa dollars, like $25. Kung sa pesos, magkano ba yan? 57 yung exchange rate ngayon. So mga nasa nasa $25. So mga nasa 1,200. 1,300, mga ganun. Naglalakad lang ako pampahilis. Ano ba tawag sa Tagalog yan? Hindi ko alam. Sa Bisaya, pampahilis. ang paggaan ng loob. So nagpapabili si Kane ng skincare products. Tapos hanap din ako ng anime stuff. I'm probably gonna look around. So hanap ako. Tingnan natin kung meron ba dito. Ano ba yung store na to? Akiba Hobby. Check natin ito. Nakakatawa. Pumasok ako dun sa isang anime store. Tapos bawal pala mag-record. Kasi yung nakasalubong sa akin puro mga nakahubad na like naked anime figures. So kaya buti na lang kinancel ko yung yung recording. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang anime stuff. Pero gusto ko yung poster eh. Baka gusto kong pumasok ng isang Shonen Jump na store pero wala dito. Nasa Shibuya. Guys, nasa Don Quixote ako. I'm sorry, excuse me. Nakaka-overstimulate. I've been walking for like 2 minutes trying to find yung pinapabili ni Cindy. Hindi ko mahanap. It's called Roto Moisturizer. Hanapin ko lang. Tapos bilhin na din ako para kay Kay. Gusto ko na ito matapos kasi nakaka-overwhelm. Tapusin ko lang ito guys. Tapos kita lang tayo dun sa excuse me. Guys, first day budol. Our first full day budol. So just got out of Don Quixote. Right here. Sabi ko kanina madali lang ako. So I had to call Kay para so I can like finalize kung ano yung bibilhin ko. Like make sure what I need to buy. Tapos ang sobrang daming tao na ako na overwhelmed, overstimulated. Ito yung nabudol ko. So it was like 24,000 yen. Tapos with tax-free, just bring your passport. It came out to be 22,000 something yen. And mga $146 first day. And I think natatakot ako because I'm gonna go to a big camera next and check out the watch there because I really feel like I'm gonna buy the watch today para matapos na kasi other than that my big purchases wala masyado. That's the only big purchase I want. Tapos all I need is like mga skincare products, mga anime stuff, and the food. I think food yung pinakamalaking gastos dito. Other than that, yeah, I'm trying to limit myself, but yeah, also having a hard time looking for stuff to bring amigo or send to my nephew, pasalubong. Kaso matagal pa ako umuwi ng Pinas. So I have to bring it back to America, tapos dadaling ko pa naman pa Pinas. But yeah, nabudol na ako. I feel like I need to check out some anime shops muna habang nandito na ako sa Akihabara. And then so I can walk back to my hotel. Kasi nga, I'm probably gonna have dinner with my friends mamaya. So hindi pa sila nag-message. And yeah, natatay na din ako. Tulong. If not, I'm just gonna eat something really cheap dun sa may area na hotel ko. And come back sa may Asakusa area. Oh nga, hindi pa pala ako nakabili ng Hindi pa ako nakabili ng anong tawag dito? Uniqlo. Kasi konti lang dinala kong damit. Kasi I was planning on shopping clothes. Oh no. See you guys. Update ko kayo. Hello guys. Ayan. Nakabalik na ako sa hotel. Nabudol tayo. Duman ako ng Uniqlo kasi naalala ko hindi pala ako nagdala ng outer layer. Isang outer layer lang. The hoodie. Pablarix hoodie. So bumili ako ng parang sweater. Merino wool or wool. Some kind of wool sweater. Or cashmere. I don't know. Basta para may masuot tayo bukas sa Mount Fuji tour natin. Yeah, tsaka dalawang heat tech. Short sleeve, black, tsaka black tsaka white short sleeve. I think the total came out to $54 or $45. With tax-free, na yan. I forgot magkano yan sa yen. 8,000 yen? 8,000 yen or something like that. Sa Pilipinas, magkano ba yan? Siguro mga nasa 3,000 or 2,000 something. 2,500. Nandung level. I don't know if mura or hindi. But 100% sure, mas mura siya kaysa Amerika. Sa Amerika, medyo mahal. Kasi nagpunta kami sa Uniqlo nung 3 weeks ago, Uniqlo sa Chicago with Kay. And yun nga, napatingin kami. Medyo mahal nga dun. So, yeah. May masusuot na ako bukas. Para hindi na same outfit lahat sa pictures ko tsaka sa vlog. Tapos mag-shopping pa ako. There's plenty of Uniqlo stores that I'm gonna hit up. I don't know. Tapos, tumingin din ako ng relo sa big camera. So, it's exactly the same price kung saan sa Yodobashi. Akiba. So, we'll see. I might buy it in the next couple of days kasi gusto kong mabili na siya in the first leg of my Tokyo trip para hindi na ako mag-iisip. And I'll have it. So, I'm excited. Update ko kayo tonight because I think I'm gonna rest for a bit kasi my friend said magdi-dinner na kami. But nasa Disney pa sila, so tentative siguro kasi usually pag Disney, di ba, hinihintay yung fireworks. So, I'm expecting for them to watch the fireworks. And hindi ko alam kung anong schedule, baka 7:30 or 9:30. So, baka late na masyado. So, I'll probably pass kasi maaga pa bukas. And, yeah, hanap na siguro ako ng dinner dito. Tignan ko, message ko sila kung anong plano nila. But, I'll try to freshen up and try to lie down and catch some Z's real quick. Alright. Now guys, di ba nasa hotel tayo kanina? Tapos, I took a nap. Dito na ako sa may Shinjuku kasi I had to grab dinner with my friend. So, hanapin ko lang muna yung restaurant. Hintay. Naano ako guys kasi ang sobrang gulo. Where exactly am I? Back to head straight. I guess. Ang ganda guys. Look. This is Shinjuku at night. So, definitely a lot more magulo than Akihabara or Asukusabashi. So yeah, hanapin ko muna yung restaurant. Yun ang ganda. Uniqlo and everything. Shinjuku tourist information. I think I just gotta head straight here. Hanapin ko lang yung restaurant. My eyes are so swollen. Sige. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Look at that. Wow. Ito pa. Yun lang. Hintay. Ay. Nalulog ko naman yung mint ko. May gongcha sila dito. I was craving for milk tea. Hintay. Saan na ba to? Oh, I'm like 2 minutes away. It should be there. And Stella shouldn't be hard to find kasi matangkad yun. Hintay. Hanapin ko lang. Okay guys, so I found the restaurant. I don't know if they're here. Yung text ko sila. Hintay. Paparating pa sila. Let me just go inside and see. And guys, so this is where we're eating. Katsu Motomura. It says there no photography, only dishes. So dishes lang. So I might not be able to vlog inside. So yeah, ako yung nauna. Ako pa yung late, but hintayin na ako sa kanila. But yeah, merong 1 cutlet, 1.5, tas 2 cutlet. All of it is just a set meal per person. It's not bad. Some beer to drink sa liquid. Pwede ka mag-additional. Sulit ata. It's different from the Gyukatsu one that I tried in Kyoto. Sige. Say hi guys! Hi. This is Stella. This is Mona. Hoy, nice store. Hindi. No, I was just like saying hi to the video. So, kakatapos na namin kumain sa Gyukatsu. Yeah. Ano ba, English? Yeah, no, I was trying to like Tagalog kasi parang hindi na, nahihiya ako eh. Like, they would understand me. Yeah, I'm kind of like nagastos natin like 2,500 yen, di ba? Tapos 1.5 ba yan? Magkano? 1.5? Is that expensive?
Parang in the Philippines, it's okay na eh, sa Vikings.
It is kind of expensive. Yeah, true. Tapos it was really good and tender. But we actually got the medium, di ba? Tapos so it was a lot. My sides din, ano ba? So it's an experience. So kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung Gyukatsu, it's like lulutuin mo pa yung food mo.
Yung beef, regular katsu na may lutuin support.
Yeah, it's kind of rare, and then it's up to you to kind of like put it on the stone grill.
And you can manage what type of
Doneness. Yeah, parang ganyan. Yeah. So si Stella, guys, she's my college schoolmate. Oh, ex siya ng ex siya ng ano namin, ng kabatch namin, or friend namin, college barkada. So, it's been 10 years since I saw her. Saan tayo inom? Or
We're looking for a place in Shinjuku.
iinom kami. Oh. Yeah, true. This is what it looks like at night. Yeah, we have to catch up kasi it's been 10 years since we saw each other. Ito ba yung Shinjuku crossing? Ito yung sa kanila. Ba't ka nakamaskara? Artista. Oh.
Lamigin. Hindi masyado malaki.
Seryoso? Nilalamig ka ngayon?
Ay, hindi.
Tas
Guys, si Mona ang
Hi guys!
best friend ni
Sige, I'll take off my mask na for this vlog. Hi!
May siya eh, may tinataguan sa
No!
nagmamask.
mga fans niya. Excel's here. Parang nga siyang Myeongdong, chart. Hindi, no. Actually, marami akong vlogs na pinapanood. Tapos ingat. Para siyang Myeongdong. Tapos meron pang mga body shop, parang ganun. Myeongdong na. Kulang nila mga buskers. Hanap po na kami may inuman. Wow. Yun. Oh, it's a lot of people.
Look.
Huh?
Nice.
Oh, wow. Cheers! Cheers. Sarap talaga? Seryoso? Yan guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos nahihirapan pa kami bumili ng ticket. Kasi nga, nakakalito. So Ginza line pala sila. I mean, it doesn't make sense. But, basta, you'll find out. Hindi ko alam paano i-explain. Yeah. Ayun, pero I think they figured it out. Sasabay nila ako uwi sa kanila. Tapos, maghiwalay ako ng train. I'll see you guys when I get home. Tapos na? Goods na? Yay! Ayan guys, kakauwi ko lang. Medyo late na. One bottle lang ako ng beer. Hindi na kasi ako masyado umiinom. So yeah, magpamount Fuji tayo bukas. So, medyo late na. So, kaya I gotta shower. Kasi maaga pa bukas. And, yeah, again guys, thank you for sa pagsama sa akin. And, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo. And thank you so much. And, hope you guys have a great day. Tas ingat kayo. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Parang Dragon Ball.